Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mindbasket. Yes. So, we are now on the second chapter, that is branches of psychology. But before we move forward, we need to do one thing. What is that? Like, subscribe, and share. Yes, exactly. So, what is this about? This chapter? Well, branches of psychology, as we have seen, that psychology is a very big umbrella term. Okay, so we need different branches, has specific expertise, or there is a different type of psychologist, counselors who handle this specific branches of psychology. Okay, so psychology is a general term, but under this term there are several branches. There are about 50 types of different psychology branches, but here we are going to talk about six. Right. Now, psychology is like a part of science, so it has observations, it has analysis, and also has treatment plans, therapy, all these things. So, the psychologist or therapist, they deal with all these things. Okay. So, the first one which I'm going to talk about is developmental psychology. Developmental psychology talks about from birth to old age, or you can say till death. Okay, so here they talk about how the different types of problems or behaviors or feelings arise, and how the psychologist can help in decreasing it or help them to overcome it. Okay, so here they pay more attention on these three. Right. So there are psychologists who deal specially in this type of psychology. Okay. Now the second one, which is child psychology. Yes. Now, child psychology is something where the psychologist will deal with um, children as just born, you can say, till the time that they are teens. Okay, like 18. So after 18 they are known as adults. Okay, so basically you can say the teen years. Okay, like from 13 to 18 also come in child psychology, where they deal with the adolescence problems. Okay, so here the psychologist deals with issues like adjustment problems, stress management, exam pressure. As you know, teens get into relationships, so relationship problems. So these are all the things that a child psychologist deals with. Okay? The next branch is social psychology. You may be wondering, अभी ये social psychology क्या है? Well, social psychology is so much human related. You may be thinking, human related? Yes, human related, because humans are people's person. We are always in an interpersonal relationship, whether we are with family, workplace, school, etc. So, here it is more about how well we interact and what are the problems we face. Okay, so the thing over here is that these psychologists deal with how there are problems or conflicts in a group, whether a particular person has leadership qualities, And if they don't, then what are the ways to enhance it? How do they interact with other people? How they are able to be a part of the group and also be confident. These are all social psychologists which help the other people as well as also tell them how to overcome these difficulties if they face in their life. Okay? Now, the next branch of psychology is cognitive psychology. Now, you may be thinking, what is cognitive? Cognitive is related to the three aspects, right? So, cognitive is very important. The way we memorize, the way we think, the way we express ourselves, these are all part of our cognition. Okay, so when these cognitive psychologists they say that they are dealing with cognitive, it means that they are trying to understand your learning style and what are the difficulties that you're facing while learning, while reading, or while understanding stuff. Okay, so here they also deal with speech impairments. So, what are the difficulties you are finding, and what are the impairments that have become an obstacle for your speech? So, this is also a very important aspect because cognitive plays an important role in our life, and not only for one person but for each and every one of us. Okay, so this was the first part of chapter 2. Next, we are going to come with the second part of the chapter 2. But before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do it because when the second part of chapter 2 comes, you will be notified if you have subscribed to the channel. Stay tuned for more information. Bye.